What's up, y'all, and welcome to another 8 to 5 the Trader video. Today I ended up minus 96 at the commissions of minus 96. At the ECN fees, I'm looking at it right around minus 109. Um, let's just assume that I didn't trade AMBA today. Let's just assume that I didn't trade that today, and I actually did pretty good. Actually made over $100 if I didn't trade AMBA. um, yeah. See, ABMA it was just not good. It was pretty terrible. I guess we can start from the beginning. NKE, man, the AMBA was just so bad. It was just so choppy. Nike took a short. After seeing this green counter here, I thought we might roll over. Felt like it didn't want to go anywhere. Stopped out at break even. I only lost commissions on that, so not a big deal. Well, then we went over to AMBA, man. I took a short, 100 shares at VWAP, thinking it was going to break down. This son of a bastard squeezed back up. I lost like $34 on this trade. I was pretty pissed about this one. Squeezed back up, and then it decides to do the damn rollover. So it rolled over after I got out. Well, it rolled. I was too early. Then I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking about this trade. This trade was just dumb. I went long, thinking for some reason it was going to pop back up, which it did. But again, I was too early. Had the right idea, but no, it had to consolidate. That's when it went down some more, and then I lost 130, not including this one, but the other trade coming up to the long side. But to the short side, I lost $69. So I lost $69 on that first trade. So I came back for one more short, thinking it was gonna go this time. Went long, 200 shares, ready for the pop. It wanted to consolidate again. And then I got out at the break of VWAP, and then it finally decides to go up. So AMBA was a bunch of BS, and that was $200 that I lost on just AMBA. Wasted my damn time and my capital. So then I took a trade on DPZ in the beginning. I took a short here. Felt like it was going to roll over a bit. I felt like that rollover was going to hold. Stopped out. I mean, not stopped out. I took profits, took it all off, and made $40. You see that on the 1 minute. Felt good about that. MU, I took to the short side. By this time, when I traded MU, I was very unconfident in my abilities to trade at this point. Missed all of this because I was too afraid to take it because I was already getting burned by AMBA. But for some reason, I took ABMA again at 1020. But I didn't take MU well before that. But I was definitely my confidence was just gone by this point. But I did take a quick scalp on MU, made $24 on that. Came back again. No, I made $20 on that actually. And then I came back and took another short, late short, trying to get like a breakdown to hopefully 42.50. And I made 1 cent off of that and sold and covered. And then of course it started to squeeze. But yeah, I knew this was a late trade, and if it just didn't go, it wasn't gonna go. But I saw this move right here again, and I didn't take it. Could have got a nice move there, but I just didn't take it. Now, what saved my day was AXTA as far as like this loss. So I saw AXTA right here. Right here is when I saw it, but I didn't think to take it. Again, confidence was gone. But something, because I felt like the non-moving average was pretty far up. I didn't know if it was going to squeeze back up, but the pattern was there for the short. And I guess I could have shorted here. And let me see, that's 88. I could have set my stop loss above 03. So that'd have been 15 cents that I could have risked possibly, and probably got that move. But it is what it is. But that move was pretty significant. I did get a nice move. I waited for this pullback, got in on the 2 minute. Once I got that $52, I was trading the P&L at that point. I went ahead and took it off, and then it dropped enough to where I could have actually been break even for the day. Came back and took a few more trades on AXTA. Think we might get more of a rollover. Pretty much these were both break even, if I'm not mistaken. Both of these were break even. I think I might have got. Let me see. I think 36. Yeah. So both of these were break even, so I didn't make anything off of those. But that's the day. Um, Pretty much ANBA. I traded trash. It wasn't even so much my entries. Now this entry that I made to the now this trade was bad, but I mean when I looked at this when this actually happened, the non-moving average was like right here, and I took that. I thought it was gonna be I thought it was gonna go back up. I thought it was gonna pop. See on the 2 minute we actually had a not 2 minute. I want to say it was the 1 minute. Is what my signal was going off of. So yeah, the 1 minute I really thought we were gonna push back up through there, and we just didn't. But we held the 50 a little bit. Felt like we are gonna go back up, and it just didn't. So I mean, it just didn't work out. So this day I lost quite a bit just from that one trade. Had I just stopped trading it, my day would have been positive actually. So I mean, it is what it is. So for those of you that are watching, the 2 people that just subscribe, hey, welcome. I plan on keeping this up, but I do want to say I'm pretty sure some people can learn some stuff from me, and that's the whole goal of this, for me to document it and just keep going with it, and eventually show what it takes to become profitable at this, because it's not easy. It's not easy. This is harder than both of my degrees that I have. So yeah, keep at it. See y'all tomorrow.